Lathi, a glimpse of Gujarat's soul. Gujarat, a state in western India, is a land of vibrant culture and rich traditions. Known for its colourful festivals, traditional dances and warm hospitality, Gujarat offers a unique blend of the old and the new. The state is a tapestry of diverse communities, each contributing to its rich cultural mosaic, from the energetic Garba dance during Navratri to the serene kite flying during Uttarayan. Every festival here is celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy. The landscapes of Gujarat are as diverse as its culture. From the arid deserts of Kutch to the lush greenery of the Gir forests, the state is a visual treat for nature lovers. The bustling cities like Ahmedabad and Surat showcase modernity, while the historical sites like the Sun Temple in Modhera and the Rani Ki Vav in Patan take you back in time. Amidst this vibrant and diverse backdrop lies a hidden gem, Lathi, a small town tucked away in the Amreli district. This quaint town, often overshadowed by its more famous neighbours, holds a charm of its own. Nestled in the heart of the Saurashtra region, Lathi offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Its narrow lanes, traditional houses and friendly locals make it a perfect destination for those looking to experience the authentic rural life of Gujarat. Lathi, once a princely state, holds the administrative title of a taluka, responsible for governing surrounding villages. The town's history is rich and varied, with tales of valour and governance. The administrative buildings and the town hall stand as silent witnesses to its glorious past. The remnants of its princely state days can still be seen in the architecture and the layout of the town. Despite its modest size, Lathi possesses a unique charm, offering a glimpse into the heart of rural Gujarat. The town's streets are always bustling with activity, from the local marketplaces where vendors sell fresh produce and traditional goods, to the small tea stalls where locals gather to discuss the day's events. The surrounding villages, with their simple yet beautiful landscapes, add to the town's rustic appeal. Lathi is not just a town, it's an experience. The traditional activities such as pottery making, weaving and farming offer a glimpse into the daily lives of its residents. The town's festivals, though smaller in scale compared to the grand celebrations in the cities, are filled with warmth and community spirit. Every corner of Lathi tells a story. Every face has a tale to share. The town's history is intertwined with the legacy of its rulers, the Jadeja Rajputs, who left an indelible mark on its cultural fabric. The monuments and old buildings stand as a testament to their reign, each structure narrating a chapter of Lathi's storied past. The architectural style, influenced by Rajput and local designs, adds to the town's unique character. The Jadeja Rajputs, known for their bravery and administrative skills, played a crucial role in shaping the town's destiny. Their legacy is evident in the cultural heritage of Lathi, from the traditional attire worn by the locals to the customs and rituals followed during festivals. The royal family's influence can still be felt in the town's day-to-day life, with many traditions being passed down through generations. Today, Lathi stands as a testament to a bygone era, its ancient temples and palaces whispering tales of a glorious past. The town's historic sites, such as the old palaces and temples, are not just tourist attractions, but are integral parts of the community's identity. They serve as reminders of the town's rich history and cultural heritage, drawing visitors who seek to explore and understand the essence of Lathi. Its ancient temples and palaces whispering tales of a glorious past. The stories of kings and queens, of battles fought and won, of festivals celebrated with grandeur, all come alive as you walk through the town. Lathi is not just a place, it's a journey through time, a window into the soul of Gujarat. The rhythm of the sun, Lathi's climate. Lathi experiences a semi-arid climate characterized by distinct wet and dry seasons. Summers are harsh and unforgiving, with temperatures soaring high. The sun beats down relentlessly, casting long shadows across the parched land. The monsoon season brings much-needed respite as the skies open up and drench the thirsty earth. The landscape transforms, with vegetation springing to life. Winters in Lathi are mild and pleasant, offering a welcome break from the scorching summer heat. The climate significantly influences the lifestyle of the locals, shaping their agricultural practices and cultural traditions. Nature's resilience, flora of the arid land. Despite the challenging climate, Lathi is home to a surprising variety of plant life. The region's flora has adapted to thrive in arid conditions, showcasing nature's remarkable resilience. Drought-resistant trees like acacia and babul dot the landscape, their gnarled branches reaching towards the sky. Shrubs and bushes, including thorny varieties, form a dense undergrowth. During the monsoon season, wildflowers carpet the ground in a riot of colors, transforming the arid landscape into a breathtaking spectacle. These hardy plants not only add to the region's biodiversity, but also play a vital role in preventing soil erosion. Section 4, where wildlife thrives, a peek into Lathi's fauna. Lathi's diverse ecosystem supports a range of wildlife, from mammals to reptiles and birds. The region is particularly known for its blackbuck population, a species of antelope known for its distinctive spiraled horns. These graceful creatures can be spotted grazing in the grasslands surrounding the town. Other animals found in the area include jackals, foxes, and wild boars. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the variety of avian species that call Lathi home, including peacocks, eagles, and owls. Lathi's proximity to the Gir National Park, the last abode of the Asiatic lion, further enhances its appeal for wildlife enthusiasts. Section 5. Echoes of the Past. Lathi's historical tapestry. Lathi's history is steeped in legend and folklore, with tales of bravery, romance, and royal intrigue. The town's origins can be traced back to the 11th century, when it was ruled by the Chudasama Rajputs. The Chudasamas were known for their valor and strategic acumen, often engaging in battles to protect their territory from invaders. Their rule laid the foundation for Lathi's rich cultural and historical tapestry. In the 15th century, Lathi came under the rule of the Jadeja Rajputs, who made it their capital. The Jadejas were known for their patronage of art and culture, and their reign marked a golden era for the town. They were instrumental in fostering a vibrant cultural scene, encouraging the growth of music, dance, and literature. The Jadejas also established several educational institutions, making Lathi a center of learning and intellectual discourse. Their reign saw the construction of several magnificent palaces and temples in Lathi. These architectural marvels, with their intricate carvings and grandiose designs, stand today as a testament to the town's rich heritage. The palaces, with their sprawling courtyards and opulent halls, reflect the grandeur of the royal lifestyle. The temples, adorned with exquisite sculptures and detailed frescoes, are a testament to the artistic prowess of the era. These structures not only served as places of worship and residence, but also as centers of social and cultural gatherings, where people from all walks of life would come together to celebrate festivals and partake in communal activities. Offering a glimpse into the grandeur of a bygone era, these historical sites continue to attract scholars, historians, and tourists from around the world. They serve as a reminder of Lathi's glorious past and its enduring legacy. The town's historical tapestry is not just a collection of old buildings and artifacts, but a living narrative that continues to inspire and educate future generations. As we walk through the streets of Lathi, we are reminded of the town's illustrious history and the indomitable spirit of its people, who have preserved their heritage with pride and reverence. Section 6. Beyond Lathi, unveiling nearby treasures. While Lathi itself offers a captivating experience, its location also serves as a gateway to other nearby attractions. Just a short drive away lies the coastal town of Jaffrabad, known for its pristine beaches and ancient fort. History buffs can visit the ruins of the ancient city of Vallabhipur, once a thriving center of trade and commerce. For those seeking spiritual solace, the Jain pilgrimage site of Palitana, located on the Shatrunjaya hills, is a must-visit. These nearby attractions provide travelers with ample opportunities to explore the diverse cultural and historical tapestry of Gujarat. Section 7. A town of contrasts, reflecting on Lathi's charm. Lathi is a town of captivating contrasts, where the echoes of a glorious past harmonize with the rhythms of rural life. Nestled in the heart of Gujarat, this town is a living testament to the region's rich history and vibrant culture. As you wander through its streets, you'll find a seamless blend of the old and the new, where modern buildings stand shoulder to shoulder with traditional structures, each narrating its own unique story. The town's historical echoes are not just confined to its architecture, but are also reflected in the daily lives of its residents. The rhythms of rural life here are a soothing symphony, a gentle reminder of a simpler time. Farmers till their fields with the same dedication as their ancestors, and local artisans continue to practice age-old crafts, keeping traditions alive. Its semi-arid landscape, though harsh, nurtures a surprising diversity of flora and fauna. The resilient plants and animals that thrive here are a testament to nature's incredible adaptability. From the hardy acacia trees to the elusive desert foxes, every element of Lathi's ecosystem tells a story of survival and coexistence. The town's historical legacy is etched in its ancient temples and palaces, each structure a masterpiece of art and architecture. These buildings are not just remnants of the past, but are living monuments that continue to inspire awe and reverence. The intricate carvings and majestic facades whisper tales of bravery and royal splendor, transporting visitors to a bygone era. Whispering tales of bravery and royal splendor, these ancient edifices stand as silent witnesses to the town's storied past. The valor of its warriors and the grandeur of its royalty are immortalized in stone, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once walked these lands. Despite its proximity to popular tourist destinations, Lathi retains an off-the-beaten-path charm, offering a unique and authentic experience of rural Gujarat. This hidden gem invites travelers to step off the well-trodden path and discover the true essence of the region. Here you can immerse yourself in the local culture, savor traditional cuisine, and participate in community festivals that celebrate the town's rich heritage. Offering a unique and authentic experience of rural Gujarat, Lathi is a place where time seems to slow down. The warmth and hospitality of its people make every visitor feel at home. Whether you're exploring the bustling markets or enjoying a quiet moment by the river, the town's charm is sure to leave a lasting impression. A visit to Lathi is a journey into the heart of Gujarat's soul, a chance to connect with nature's resilience and witness the enduring legacy of a bygone era. It's an opportunity to experience the rich tapestry of life in rural India, where every day brings new discoveries and every encounter is a story waiting to be told. A chance to connect with nature's resilience and witness the enduring legacy of a bygone era. In Lathi, the past and present coexist in perfect harmony, creating a unique and unforgettable experience for all who visit. So come, explore, and let the charm of Lathi captivate your heart.